about what all foods are there for plants and how the plants are, how the leaf structure is, what are parts of the leaves, okay, which all parts we have in the leaf. We studied these all things. Yes, we studied that all things and finished off our chapter also. Yes, we'll start with we'll revise the chapter one more time, children, and do the exercise in this class. Okay, before we start the procedure of study, we'll make a short prayer. Okay, Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay, we are just praying to the God for the wealth, health and the study. Okay, we did the prayer also. Okay, we'll start. We'll revise it once again, the chapter. In this chapter we seen about how the leaf is, how the parts of a leaves are, how the parts of a leaves are. In the leaves we have so many parts. We have a leaf tip, we have main vein, we have side veins, we have leaf blades, we have stack, we have. Okay, middle on line irudukke ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು main vein ಅಂತೀವಿ. In that we have a small lines that is called as the side veins, and the last edge is called as the blade of the leaf. Yes, the end point is called as a leaf tip, and the down part is called as a stack. Yes, these all are the parts of the leaf. And how they prepare food, we studied also. The food factory of the leaf, we studied about it. In the leaf, the main part is chlorophyll. How the leaf get the chlorophyll from the sun? That plant get the chlorophyll from the sun. When the sunlight come now, that time it absorbs the chlorophyll from the rays. Okay, and food for the leaf, they want three main parts. They want chlorophylls. Okay, they want carbon dioxide, they want water from the earth, they want air. Yes, they want these all things to prepare food. They want these all things. When they start preparing the food, when they take the water, when they take air, when they take chlorophylls, when they take carbon dioxide from all the things from the nature, it start preparing the food. After preparing the food, it releases the oxygen. That oxygen we use. Yes, we want oxygen to breathe. Yes, human beings want oxygen to breathe. Without oxygen we can't breathe. But when we are breathing, we take oxygen inside. We leave what? We leave carbon dioxide. We leave what? We leave carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide, who will use that carbon dioxide? Leaves, plants. They use that carbon dioxide for preparing the food. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದನ್ನ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಗ್ಯಾಸನ್ನ ಅವು ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋತಾವ, ಅವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವು ಚಲೋ ಗ್ಯಾಸನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವ. ಆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, that oxygen gas help us to breathe, help us to live. Yes, without oxygen we can't live only, we can't breathe, even we can't stand without oxygen. Yes, okay, and after that we studied about how do the plants are interdependent with the animals. How the animals are independent to the plants, plants are dependent to the animals. Yakantandra for the carbon dioxide and the oxygen. Animals leave carbon dioxide. For example, us human beings leaves the carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide yav use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾವ, plants use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾವ. And same case, plants use the carbon dioxide and they leave oxygen. Oxygen yaar use ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ? Now, they both are interdependent. Animals and plants. Okay, they both are interdependent. Yakantandra, when animals leaves carbon dioxide, plants use. Okay, when plant leaves oxygen, animals used to breathe. Yes, animal used to breathe. When animals leave the carbon dioxide, plants use. Plant leaves the oxygen, animals use. So these two are what? Interdependent. What? Interdependent. They both are interdependent. Okay, children. They both are what? Interdependent. They can't live without each other. They want each other. They want. For the case of breathing, case of preparing the food. Okay, next one. balance in nature. The imbalance in nature, what we studied, we have to plant one tree. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನಾವು ಟ್ರೀ ಬೆಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ, ನಮ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನಡಕ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂಥರದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಚರ್. We studied these all things, yes na children? We studied these all things. These all are amazing things of our trees, amazing things of our nature. Now we'll do the exercise. Exercise case, we'll revise the chapter one more time with a question and answers. We'll revise it. Okay? We'll send you all the answers, key answers of these all questions in your WhatsApp group. We'll send you all the answers. Don't worry about that all things. And don't write until we send the answer keys. Until we send you the answer keys, don't write anything in your fair notes. Just revise it one time, but don't write anything in your fair note. Okay, we'll start with the exercise now. Okay, exercise. Tick correct the correct answer. Tick correct the correct answer. First one, the substance that traps sunlight from photosynthesis is. Which is the substance sunlight ಇಂದ ಬರೋ substance ಯಾವುದು? Options are given: chlorophyll, stomata, beans, stack. ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? In chapter I told you which comes from the sunlight. Which is that? First answer is chlorophyll. Which is the answer? Chlorophyll. I will just write the answer. What is the first answer? Chlorophyll. Okay. Second question. Carbon dioxide gas is taken in through the dash. From where we take the carbon dioxide gas? Leaf blade, stomata, root or stem. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋತೇವೆ ನಾವು? Leaf blade ಇಂದ ತಗೋತೇವೋ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ, I told you the stomata, the thinny pore, or root ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರ ಅಥವಾ stem ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಅದರದೊಂದು ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋತೇವೆ ನಾವು? ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ, the thinny pores. Thinny pores ಇಂದ ಏನು ತಗೋತೇವೆ ನಾವು? Carbon dioxide. So the answer is stomata. Third answer. Food prepared during the photosynthesis is a kind of what? ನಮ್ದು ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಲೀಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ? ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್, ಗಂಜಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? ಗಂಜಿ. ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಏನ ಥಿಕ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಒಂದಿದು. That is in the way of starch. Third answer is starch. Fourth answer. In cactus plant, photosynthesis takes place in the dash. Yalla aketi. I told you in the cactus plant, yalli photosynthesis procedure aketi. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಲೀಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೈತೋ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೈತೋ, ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೈತೋ, ಸ್ಪೈನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೈತೋ. In your chapter they given, see in the page number 161, in the cactus tree plant, the photosynthesis takes place in the stems, green stems. STEMS, stems takes place in where? Stems. Fifth one, plants depend on animal for ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ? ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೌ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ dioxide gas. It depends on carbon dioxide. I told you just now, because it takes the carbon dioxide inside and release the oxygen. Okay. Next one. Write T for the true statement, F for the false statement. T for the true statement, F for the false statement. Oxygen is absorbed during the process of photosynthesis. Oxygen photosynthesis ನಡೆಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಕೈತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ. That will be not. ಅವ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನಡೀತಿದೆ? ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ? ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ನಡಿಬೇಕಾರೆ. ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. Write F to that. Write F to that. Next one. The main vein is a part of the leaf. The main ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನಡಕಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮೀನು ಬೇರ್ ನಡಕಿಂದ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಇದು ಲೈನ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ that is a main is a part of the leaf. Yes, it is a part of the leaf, so the statement is correct. T. Next one, excess food prepared by the plant is converted into sugar. It converted into sugar and stored. Yes, the extra food ಏನಾಕೈತಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿ sugar ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಕೈತಿ and it will be stored in the place. Yes, true. Fourth question, animals depends on plant for oxygen gas. Animals depends on plants for oxygen gas. Yes, animals again beka oxygen beka, so this statement is true. T. Again, 5. We must protect plants and animals. We have to protect now. Yes, we must protect animals and plants. This statement is also true. Yes. Okay, we did these all question true and false. Now we'll move on to the answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Why are most leaves green in color? Why they are green in color? Why are most leaves green in color? Why they are green in color, children? I told you why they are green in color. Because of what? Because of photosynthesis takes place. Because of photosynthesis. Because if photosynthesis means it takes a chlorophyll from the sunlight. So they are green in color because they're inside the leaf. They are making a photosynthesis procedure there. So they are green in color. Okay. Define photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means, photo means light. Photo means light. Synthesis means making. Okay. Light making. It is the photosynthesis means the light making is called as a photosynthesis. There they given the process of making food by plants in the presence of sunlight is called as a photosynthesis. They are preparing the food for the plants in the presence of what? Sunlight. That is called as a photosynthesis. And the next question is, where does photosynthesis occur in the cactus pea? Where they do the photosynthesis process? In the stem. They prepare their photosynthesis procedure in the stem. Yes, stem. Stem olaga photosynthesis procedure. Explain how plants and animals are interdependent. Why they are interdependent, children? Because plants need carbon dioxide from the animals and animals need oxygen from the plants. So they both are interdependent. Yes. Why they are interdependent? You understood? Because of carbon dioxide, because of oxygen. Draw a well-labeled diagram of leaf. I told you in the last class also the homework is that only, the leaf diagram. This also, in this exercise also they given a leaf diagram. So what you have to do, you have to just draw the leaf diagram neatly and color it and mention the part of the leaf. Okay, mention the part of the leaf. Understood now? Just we revised all the question answers. Just read it once again, children. If you read once again, then these all questions will be bited for you. Easily you can write and easily you can read all the question answers. Yes? Okay. We'll move on to the next one. Value for life. Value for life. Noori's parents plant samplings of trees every year on Noori's birthday. Then they take care of the samplings until they grow into trees. Do you think this is a good practice? Explain how. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ ನೂರಿ ಅನ್ನೋರವ್ರೆ ಆಕಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಹಚ್ತಾರಂತ and they take care of that plant until it grows, until it become a tree. That is it correct way? Yes. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಒಂದ ಚಲೋ ಕೆಲಸ. All have to do that. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಬರ್ತಡೇಗೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಕ್ ತರ್ತೀರಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ they all are a waste thing. Nothing you will get. If you plant a tree, it start growing. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ. It will help you. That will help you. So yes, it is a correct job, good practice. All have to do that because the tree gives oxygen for us and it will help us to breathe. Okay, you have to write it. Horse. Next one. Leaves are generally flat and bold. Why? Think about it. Why they are flat and bold? In your chapter they given an answer. Okay, just read it, you will get the answer. Why they are flat and bold? And why is it refreshing to sit under a tree with a many leaves during the daytime? Why is it refreshing to sit under a tree with a many leaves during the daytime? Why? ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಟ್ರೀ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕುಂದ್ರಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. Why? Because of cold weather. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಏರ್ ತಗೋತೈತಿ, ನೀರ್ ತಗೋತೈತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, and it takes the chlorophyll from the sunlight. That time we feel cold when we sit down to the tree. Okay, it is not good to sleep under a tree during night. ಯಾಕ ಕಲ್ ಕೂಡಬಾರ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಟ್ರೀ ಕೆಳಗ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಸಂಜೆ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದ ಬಿಡಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ. ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಗಿಡದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದ್ದವಾಗಿವ ಅಂತಾರದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟ್ರೀ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಕೈತಿ, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಏನಂತಾರ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ನಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ದ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ವೇ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದವ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅದು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಮನ್ಯಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆದರ್ಸಿರ್ತಾರ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಬಟ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ದ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ okay, project work, please read it. Collect different types of a leaf from your garden on a neighborhood. Draw their outline to note the shape. Draw the main vein, side vein and the stack. Color the leaves and make a leaf album. You all have to do this work for you, project work for you. Okay, what you have to do, you have to collect the different types of a leaves. Okay, you have so many types of a leaves. Collect it, all the types of leaves. Draw the edge of the leaf, mains, side veins, blade, everything you have to write. Okay, write it and make an album of that. Maximum I want 5 different leaves. Okay, 5 different leaves and color it neatly. Make an album of that. Write everything and do this. What is that? Project work for you. The next week I want these all album. Okay, next week you have to send me. I will tell you the date when you have to send me that project work. Please send me that. Okay. Okay, we did these all things, children. Just revise it one more time. In the next class we'll start with the next chapter. We'll begin with the next chapter. We'll do the all the explanation in the next class. See you in the next class. Bye, children.